Okay, so you're going to create an account on Vimeo. You may already have a YouTube account, but I'm asking you to do a Vimeo because YouTube is not fully accessible to you as a student here on campus, which means it's also blocked on Chromebook, and if you ever need access to it while you're here on campus, it's just hard. So Vimeo, as far as I can tell, as a student account, you have more access to, but we're going to keep that a secret. You're going to join, and you can join with your Google account, and if you have multiple accounts signed in, it's going to ask you which one. So you'll just click on that, and then I already have an account, so that's why it's giving me this technical difficulty. But when I go to log in, it'll bring my stuff up. And I also have it open somewhere else, so that's probably the other issue. Let me try it this way. Okay. All right, here I am. Okay, so I'm logged into my account. I can upload my videos, choose my file from wherever I have it saved to upload it. You can also, this is a good feature to be aware of, you can upload it from Google Drive. So if you've already uploaded it to your Google Drive account somewhere, it's easy to access that way. I'm just going to throw in a sample video here. So then you'll give it, you fill in this information. It's uploading. Over here is your timeline here. Once it's uploaded, you'll get a link. And that's the link that you're going to put into your video submission and into your website. So here it tells me my video is complete. Go to the video. Up here, I mentioned it was your uploading, but this is your upload quota. This is how much space you have, which you should be just fine for this class, so don't worry about that part. So I'm going to go to the video. Here is the link to the video, and this, my video, because it was a sample video that came on the Windows device, the laptop, there was copyright infringement. So this is a good thing for you to see, because if you have any music in the background of your video that is a copyright violation, you're going to get this type of thing, and you won't be able to upload your video unless it's fixed. But let's assume this is all correct. You will copy your video link, and then you're going to paste it into your upload file, which I don't have up right now, but you also have to put it on your website. A sample project for now. Alright, so I'm going to double click, embed my URL, paste, and then again, this video is not available, that's why I'm getting that, but normally you would have your video right there. And then you would write your reflection, and then I'm going to pull up the submission form. So here's the video project submission form, which you have access to through Moodle and in your email to the welcome email I sent, and in the website for this class. So you'll just fill in this information. Whatever project it is, this is the same. And then you're going to put in the link, your Vimeo link, and submit. Okay, that's how you're going to get all your videos to me. And then you also have your website with your reflections once you've uploaded to Vimeo.